If you've already updated to iOS 27 or you're thinking about installing it, this video is for you because today we're looking at 10 cool new things your iPhone can do with iOS 27. Some of these features are brand new while others have been improved to make your iPhone smarter, faster, and more useful than ever. So stay until the end because you might discover features you didn't even know existed. Let's get started. Number 1, smarter. Siri. Apple has made Siri much more intelligent. It now understands conversations, better remembers context more naturally, and can complete more complex tasks with fewer commands. This makes using your iPhone feel much more natural throughout the day. Number 2, custom lock screen shortcuts. You can now customize the shortcuts on your lock screen even more. Instead of only using the flashlight and camera, you can replace them with apps like Calculator Voice Memos, Translate Notes, or many other supported shortcuts. This gives you faster access to the tools you use. Number 3, improved. Photos app. The Photos app continues getting smarter. Searching for pictures is faster, albums are organized better, and editing tools are easier to use. Finding photos by objects, people, or locations is now much quicker. Number 4, live text everywhere. Your iPhone can recognize text almost anywhere. Open a photo, point your camera at a document, or take a screenshot, and you can instantly copy, translate, search, or share the text. It's one of the most useful productivity features on iPhone. Number 5, smarter screenshots are now much more interactive. If your screenshot contains a phone number, address, website, or email, your iPhone can recognize it automatically and let you interact with it immediately, saving several extra steps. Number 6, enhanced privacy controls. Apple continues improving privacy. You now have even more control over which apps can access your photos, camera, microphone, location, and contacts. Reviewing these permissions only takes a few minutes and helps keep your personal information secure. Number 7, better battery management. Battery settings now provide more useful information, including charging habits, battery health, and optimization suggestions. These improvements help extend your battery's lifespan over time, especially if you keep your iPhone for several years. Number 8, improved control. Control Center is now more flexible, making it easier to organize the controls you use most often. You can access important settings faster without opening the Settings app, making everyday tasks much quicker. Number 9, smarter Spotlight. Spotlight search has become even more powerful. Simply swipe down from the home screen and search for apps, contacts, messages, email, settings, fill SOR. Even perform quick calculations. It's one of the fastest ways to navigate your iPhone. Number 10, smoother overall performance. One of the biggest improvements isn't a specific feature, it's the overall experience. Animations feel smoother, apps open faster, multitasking is more responsive, and the system feels more polished throughout daily use. These small improvements make a noticeable difference every time you use your phone. Now, let's be honest, iOS 27 isn't just about flashy new features, it's about making your iPhone easier, smarter, and more enjoyable to use every single day. Even small improvements like these can completely change your experience over time. So to summarize, the 10 coolest new things your iPhone can do with iOS 27 are a smarter Siri custom lock, screen shortcuts, and improved photos, app live, text everywhere, smarter screenshots, enhanced privacy controls, better battery management and improved control center, more powerful spotlight search, and smoother overall performance. Because honestly, these upgrades make iOS 27 one of the most complete and useful iPhone updates Apple has released in years.